What's going on, Theo? Are you looking for something?
I was looking for a book Copper was reading. One second, please.
Of course.
Okay, I had a little problem here. I was looking for the book Copper was reading. I thought she left it at my house.
Okay, well, what was the book?
Copper was telling me she was reading the Bible, I think. And she said pride is coming before fall, and I thought I better get the fence fixed and the door on my doghouse tightened up to keep the pride away.
Were you thinking she meant a pride of lions?
Well, yeah. Isn't that what they call them? A group of lions is a pride.
Yeah, but I don't think that came from the Bible. Maybe Copper has some of the words mixed up.
Maybe. I hope so. Are you getting ready for the pride this fall, Miss Kayla?
Theo, Copper didn't say a pride of lions was coming this fall. She was quoting from the book of Proverbs 16:18. She said, "Pride comes before the fall," meaning with pride comes pain.
Oh, I don't want any paid. By the way, did I tell you that while I was away, things around the neighborhood just didn't seem to go as well without me? All my friends said so. I sort of knew they would because I'm really pretty good at my stuff around here.
Really, Theo? You understand what pride means, right?
No, not really. But anyway, let me tell you some more things I do so very well. The list is quite long.
Theo, slow down. Too much pride is not good. We are not to tell people how great we are. We are to tell people how great God is. And we are to be humble because anything we do really well is a gift from God.
So when my friends tell me I'm great, they don't mean it?
Yes, they think you are great, and you are great. We love you, right, kids in congregation?
Yeah.
We just have to be careful we don't take too much of the credit. God is the one who allows us and gifts us with the ability to be good at the things that we do. We should be humbled by those gifts from God.
Oh, I get it now. If I took the credit, that wouldn't be fair because I couldn't do it without God.
Nice work, Theo.
Oh, don't mention it. It just came into my mind. From God.
You're right, Theo. He talks to us all the time. We just have to listen.
I think I could probably do a little bit better at listening when it come to think of it. Well, bye, kids. I love you, and I really love the fact that you're here to meet Jesus and live for Him, because I'm here to do the same thing. How about you, Miss Kayla?
Yes, Theo, me too. I love Jesus, and He loves me too.
Bye.
Nice. Thank you.